For moving within your home or office, keep the printer level as you move it. For longer transport, follow these steps. With your printer on, open the doors and hold black color copy for 3 seconds. With the print heads in the center, disconnect all cords and cables. Push down the blue latch to open it. Push down the latch just enough to clear the latch stop and slide it to the left. Make sure the ink plugs are secure, then close the doors. If you plan on shipping the printer, place it in a plastic bag large enough to enclose the printer. Make sure the bag is completely closed and then place it in a box. At the new location, open the doors, close the blue latch, and then close the doors. Then reconnect the cords. If you see an E3 error, open the doors, close the blue latch, and press cancel.